In this video, we're going to talk about statistical analysis with Excel. So in previous assignments, we've analyzed data manually and figured it out by hand. This time, we're going to use Microsoft Excel to have that computer software pretty much do the work for us. We just need to enter the data. So before we go ahead and get started, we're going to make up a folder for you to save a file that I'm going to give you. So go ahead and click on File Explorer down on the bottom. Click on this PC. Click on the V drive. Click on dwest. Find the period that I have you. And then go into Student Folders. Find your name. And let's make a new folder. We can call this one 4_3.7 stat analysis with Excel. So after you've made the folder, we're all set. We just need to save a file in there. So that's what we're going to do next. So let's go ahead and open up Excel. It looks like this. If you don't see it on your desktop, you could just go to the search bar over here and type in Excel and then click this and it'll open up your Excel software. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a template that I've already made for you. So go ahead and click on Open, and then we're going to go to Browse. And now we need to navigate back to our shared area. So I'm going to go this PC again. Scroll down to find that V drive. Click on the V drive. dwest. Period 1 or whatever period I have you. The stat analysis with Excel. And then here is the template file that I'm giving you. So again, in case I lost you, V drive dwest, the period I have you, and then into the stat analysis folder, and then you're going to open up this template. Now, when you open it, you're going to get this bar up top, and it's in a protected view. The reason why is I made this file read-only, so that way you cannot change my original file. So what you're going to do then is a file, save, hit enable saving, and then just click OK. And then now we're going to navigate backwards. Let's make this easy. Now we're going to go into the folder that you made. So you're going to go this PC, scroll down, V drive, dwest, period 1 or whatever I have you, into your student folder now. So again, we opened up the template and now we're saving a copy into your student folder, into the new folder that we just made. I'm just going to get rid of this copy of. So now I have my own version saved into my folder, and I'm going to hit save. So now that template file was just saved into my folder. Whew, took almost 4 minutes just to get into saving and all that setup, but we're ready to rock and roll now. So the first thing that we're going to do in the Excel document is double click into this A3 cell, and we are going to type in your name. So go ahead and type in your name, click out of the cell, and now I've added my name to it. And then we are going to load something that we're going to use here later on that doesn't come default with the software. So what you're going to do is go up top and click on File. And then down in the bottom, you're going to click on Options. So File, Options. On the left-hand side, you're going to click on Add-ins. And then down on the bottom, just make sure that this says Excel Add-ins and click on Go. And then what you need to make sure that you do is check this analysis tool pack. So check that and then click OK. Alright, I'm going to stop there. We already have 5 minutes. In the next video, we're actually going to jump into the data.